In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in Elementor effortlessly. Embedding videos can significantly enhance the engagement and visual appeal of your website. And with Elementor, this process is both straightforward and highly customizable. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to add the video widget to your page. To begin, open the Elementor editor and navigate to your desired page. Once there, you'll notice a handy little plus icon labeled Add New Section. Go ahead and click on that. This is how we bring in new sections that will soon fill up with our content widgets. Next, we want to focus on the Widgets panel, which you can find conveniently located on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a variety of widgets you can choose from. For our purpose, find the Video widget. When you spot it, click and hold, then drag it over to your page and drop it there. You'll see it's now placed within the section you just added. Now comes the fun part, choosing your video source and customizing the settings to suit your needs. To adjust these settings, head over to the Content tab. This is where you get a bit of flexibility. You'll notice there are several source options available for your video. You can choose from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, VideoPress, or if you have a file you want to use, you can opt for self-hosted. This means you have the freedom to select the video format and hosting that matches your requirements best. Once you've decided on your video source, the next step is to paste your video URL or MP4 file link right where it says Link. This will tell Elementor exactly which video it needs to pull into your widget. After your video is set up and linked, there are a variety of optional controls you might find useful. For instance, if you want your video to start or end at specific timestamps, make use of the start and end time fields. You can trim the playback, ensuring your viewers see only the most relevant parts. Additionally, there are several more controls designed to enhance the viewing experience. You can enable autoplay, which starts the video automatically, or mute, an option to keep things quiet on startup. You might find loop useful if you want your video to replay continuously. Furthermore, you have the option to enable or disable player controls, and you can also opt for modest branding, which hides or minimizes platform logos. If your video has captions, there's an option to show those as well, significantly improving accessibility. Privacy mode can also be engaged, allowing you to keep user data private, while lazy load is a great feature that can help optimize your website's load times. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly embed and customize video content on your Elementor-powered website, creating a richer and more engaging experience for your visitors.